Yo! Hey, how's it going, guys? Neiolytic here, and today I'm very excited because I'm gonna be building a PC again. But of course, this is not gonna be for me anymore because I already have two. I'm actually gonna build a PC for my friend. His name is Froilan, also known as Pepet. We're gonna be building a PC on a Corsair 570X. Yeah, that's the case I'm looking at right now. We're gonna be kind of not really building from scratch, but just transferring it from a pre-built PC. And he bought some new parts, and we're gonna transfer it to the Corsair 570X. I'm excited. Let's get into it. Oh, actually, by the way, I have a new gaming setup here, but I kind of scrapped the video just because I'm not contented with the way it looks like right now. But it's just a sneak peek right now of my white gaming setup. I will add some more things like mounting it on a wall, add LED and things like that. Soon I'm gonna buy the things that I need, and hopefully I can edit it soon so I can deliver the content to you guys. But yeah, let's wait for Froilan. He's gonna be here in a bit. Okay guys, I think he's here now. We're gonna go ahead and pick him up. He's parking right now. Somewhere there. We got this as well, NZXT, some nice LED lights right there. And what is this? Oh, the cables, right? Alright, what is this? You excited? Yeah, excited, dude. Alright, we're gonna build the PC right now. We're gonna disassemble this thing first, the old one. And then we're gonna put it here in the Corsair 570X, right? Yeah. Let's get into it. Yo, quick update. Of the motherboard. Well, it's kind of my fault too because I wasn't really paying attention to what he's doing. He broke the standoff thingy, standoff screw, together with the screw that you found before. And now we're gonna check out price. We're gonna look for a motherboard because he thinks that his motherboard sucks because that's from the old PC. So we're gonna go right now and I'll update you guys afterwards. Hey, so we're done, finally. You guys can see here. Finally done with everything. You just need to do some cable management. There's so much here at the back. So much craziness. And also, there's like a lot of things happened. We changed the motherboard from his old one because he just feels like it. And then we broke some of the things here. We broke that thing right there. So we're gonna have to replace that standoff thing right there. But we're done. We're gonna test out now, moment of truth, if this is gonna work. Do the honor, dude. Do it. Do it. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Oh my god, rainbow stuff. Is it gonna turn on? Do it. Do it. Not gonna work. Is this even on? Work? Holy shit. Boom! Let's go! It works, dude. Damn, too much desktop stuff going on there. It works. Awesome. Alright, now we're gonna have to... Well, he's gonna do the cable management. I'm not gonna take care of that. I hate cable management. Doing that. That's it. So... yeah, that's it. We're just gonna film it, I guess. And then we're gonna head out of there. We're gonna end the video. So that's Froilan's build, guys. He's actually gonna add some more LED lights, you know, around the case to make the parts inside pop out even more. He's also gonna replace the RAMs that he has in there, because you guys saw how bad that RAM looks like there. So he's gonna add a white RAMs with LED lights on it. It's actually the perfect timing as well that he built his PC right now, because next week is Black Friday. And the Monday after that is gonna be Cyber Monday. It's the best time of the year to get all your electronics. So my overall experience with the Corsair 570X is actually pretty fun, and it's pretty easy. Fun and easy. Well, I said that because, I mean, the case just looks stunning. It's pretty amazing. It looks really nice. There's tempered glass everywhere. Front, it's just showcasing so much of those fans, the LED fans. Positive side of that is you can actually buy their same model of the fans and you can connect it on one hub at the back. And the extra fans that you bought, you can control it. So you can control the lighting from there in just one hub, right? It's pretty easy, yay! Also, you know, because it's tempered glass, so everything inside, when you work on it extra hard, when you work on it, when you actually dedicated your life fixing the inside of that PC, it's just amazing. I mean, when you look at it, it's just pretty nice. It looks super nice. You guys saw how like the right side of the PC is full of space. You know, definitely in the future, if he learns or gets interested how to do a custom model loop on his own, he can definitely maximize that space right there. For me, just the downside of this case, it's gonna be harder for you to cable manage. Not really that much of a downside, but I can't really think of any downside for that one. You just have to work on it even more comparing to other cases that it's not tempered glass at the back. Higher the risk, higher reward, you know? I guess that's a downside for first-time PC builders, like that guy. Also, I think another negative that I can think of is the tempered glass. You know how this thing is held off by screws, 4 screws. So once you unscrew them and you're like placing those screws somewhere, there's no mechanism that prevents it from falling. It's just hanging by those rubber thingy. It's just hanging right there. So once you tap it a little bit, it's gonna fall down. So that one, I think it's a negative, but I mean, if it's tempered glass, you're pretty much gonna take care of that, right? I mean, come on. But yeah, overall, he's happy. Everything looks so nice. Oh my god. Dude, especially that NZXT Kraken, bro. Like, that AIO is super fine. It's super sexy, dude. It's pretty amazing, dude. It's pretty nice. How many times did I say pretty? If you want to see all those parts that we used on the build, go ahead and check out the links in the description down below. Do it. But anyway, that's gonna be it for this build and for this video. If you like what you saw, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you want to tell me something or ask for whatever questions that you have, go ahead and put it down in the comments. Subscribe for more if you want to see more PC builds in the future. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and you will see me on the next one. Yeah, buddy.